Hi, Jeremiah. Can you look at the camera? Huh? Okay, who's this? Huh? Hi. It's me, George. George the giraffe. Yeah, how are you, buddy? It's George. Here's George the giraffe. Hello, George. Do you like George the giraffe? You're trying to eat his face. I'm George the giraffe, and I love you very much. Yes, I do. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna lay here next to you. I'm gonna watch over your bassinet, make sure nobody comes steal you. You like George? Huh, buddy? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. I'm tickling you. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Tickle, 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 tickle. I guess not. Okay. Love you, buddy. See you later. Bye. Oh, wait. You gonna smile? You gonna smile? Smile for the camera. Come on, give us a smile. Give us a smile, yes. That's my little man. All right, love you, Jeremiah.